welcome back to English for your favorite space to improve English in this most simple and powerful way. Today's video is unlike anything you have seen before because we are going to deep into a topic that decided whether a person become fluent or stuck forever, the speed of the mind. The biggest difference between a fluent English speaker and a struggling English speaker is not vocabulary, not grammar, not accent. It's the speed of the brain. When the brain responds fast, the mouth speaks confidently. When the brain responds slowly, the mouth hesitates. So in this video, we will unlock the hidden technique to activate your brain for English thinking and fast English processing. Most learner does not realize that their problem is not speaking. Their problem is thinking. They know words, they know sentences. But when it's time to speak, their mind suddenly becomes slow, blank or confused. That's become their mind is still processing in the mother tongue first and then converting those thought into English. That internal transition create pressure and pressure block fluency. The moment we stop translating and start thinking directly in English, the mind speed up and confidence appear automatically. Fluent English speaking is not about perfect grammar. It's about brain connection. When the mind hear English daily, when the brain build pattern, when idea begin forming in English automatically, fluency become effortlessly. The goal of the training is to reach a point where the brain does not need a translate. It's listen in English, understand in English, and speak in English directly. When your mind start functioning in English naturally, speaking become as easy as breathing. The first activation phase is about connection your brain to the sound of English. Every language has a rhythm, and the brain need time to connect to the rhythm. When the brain start recognizing the sound pattern, the hesitation levels drop instantly. This is why listening plays such an important role in learning. When your mind ear get comfortable with English, your mind become more activate and more responsive. Slowly, you stop fighting the language and start flowing with it. The second activation phase is training your brain to form thought in English. When you begin creating idea in English, even if they are simple and short, the brain start getting faster. Your mind begin to pick words and arrange them automatically. You stop forcing English and English start flowing from you naturally. This phase is extremely important because it reviews the brain. The moment you start thinking in English, you unlock the true path of fluency. The third activation phase is speaking calmly. Many learners think that speaking first means speaking fluently, but that is not wrong. Fluent speakers speak with ease, not pressure. When the mind is calm, it selects the right word smoothly. When the mind is tense, it forgets everything it knows. So the real secret is to speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. When you speak slowly, you allow your brain time to think and within a days, the thinking speed increase automatically. There comes a moment in the process when you suddenly realize that English no longer feel heavy. You begin to understand faster, you begin to reply faster, you express yourself without trying too hard. That moment is the result of your brain getting activated for English. It feels like a switch has turned on inside you. And from that day, English flows with less hesitation and more confidence. This is the turning point every learner deserves to reach. Many people never achieve fluency, not because they are weak, but because they give up too early. They accept fast result without activating their mind. They focus on grammar instead of real conversation. They judge themselves too quickly. They believe that English is difficult even before giving themselves a fair chance. The biggest reason for failure is not lack of capabilities, it's lack of consistency. If you remain patient and allow your brain to adapt, English become easy. Stop telling yourself that English is hard. Start telling yourself that English is learnable. Stop thinking, I don't know English. Start thinking, I'm improving every day. The brain grows in the direction of believe. If you believe you can learn, you will learn. If you believe you are weak, you will stay weak. Confidence begins inside your mind long before it comes your mouth. When you trust yourself, your brain becomes relaxed and fluency becomes natural. Now let's activate your brain together. Repeat this line with me slowly and clearly. My mind is capable for English. My thoughts are becoming faster each day. I'm not afraid of mistakes. My brain understands English naturally. I can speak confidently and calmly. Your mind listens to your voice when you tell yourself you are improving. Your brain begins improving automatically. This practice strengthens your mindset every single day. After you activate your brain for English, you will notice a big change. You will understand conversation more quickly. You will reply without long pauses. What will appear in your mind more easily? You will sound more confident because your mind will feel more confident. English will not feel like a school subject anymore. It will feel like a natural skill, a tool, a part of your lifestyle. And that is true fluency. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you understand the secret English brain activation, then please like this video. Share it with someone who also want to improve English and subscribe to English for more powerful English transformation content. Remember, you don't need to rush, you only need to grow. Your brain is improving, your confidence is rising, and you are getting closer to fluency every single day. And I'm proud of you, and I will see you in the next lesson.